1、2、3大家好. Today we're going to start with a video of someone else's video. It's Matt Galat. Sorry. His YouTube channel is JaYoe Nation, and Matt is just one of my favourite vloggers out there. He is riding a recumbent trike around the world. So he's gone through China, Vietnam, Thailand. He's just going to keep going and going. Apparently he's going to come to Australia at some point. Looking forward to that. Why do I like watching Matt? It's because as I sit in the studio for many hours in a row, his adventures are just really zen. Like, I'm working away and he's there and he's travelling around. He's got a drone following him as he goes through mountains and forests, and he even explores caves. Not on his trike. His trike's stored somewhere else for that. But he just does this amazing array of things. And it's not all about the trike. It's just like, you know, it's about his life in Ningbo in China as well. He's just very open. He shares a lot on his vlog, and it makes me feel like, even though he has never met me and has no idea that I exist really, you know, it's like a virtual friend. It's a little bit sad, I guess, on my end that is, but I enjoy it. I'm grateful for his vlog, and all his tricycling around is pretty inspirational. Now, I've got 2 bikes downstairs, and I'm going to get on them one day and actually start riding them. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So hopefully Matt doesn't mind that I share a video of his video, but I'm going to make sure that I show you all the contact details so you can follow his vlog as well and join in the fun. Okay, I'm going to go turn on the computer and I'll check back in with you soon. Alright, 再见.
It's not this big. Getting out of the city is going to be interesting. I think that I've got to stay away from those apartment houses, especially like the really high-end ones. For the price, it wasn't that bad for this city, but golly, is that I have to be on my GPS like all the time. The moment I turn it off, I miss a turn. Spaghetti roads here, it's sort of crazy, and it sucks my battery down like nuts. It is quite an experience to go to a big park in China, especially during like dusk and dawn. I'm a little bit late for it, but I bet at like 8 o'clock in the morning, this place was full of people dancing, like you can't move around full, you know? Just everybody with music doing Tai Chi or dancing or whatever. Ni hao. Okay. My little bathroom break has turned out to be highly beneficial as far as experiences with friends go. Meeting these ladies, riding around, making contact, lots of pictures. 试试一点点？可以。我不会呀，叫他们来。我刚学的。Careful.
Next time on the JaYoe vlog.
Today I want to talk a little bit about why I feel comfortable riding on busy roads like this, how I've adjusted to it, what techniques I might use, and how I think it differs from riding in the Western world, like riding here in China.
Matt, 谢谢，你是非常鼓舞人心，加油。Matt, thanks. You're a really inspiring person. JaYoe. For those who don't know what JaYoe means, it means to add fuel to life. Well, to add fuel. So that's what I was planning to do today. I was going to get on my bike and get out there and start pedaling away. Because what's the point in being inspired when you do nothing about it? It's just pointless, really. as I was saying before, I was going to ride my bike today, and ride my bike would be qi ziqingche danshi, but jingzai jiayu. It's raining. Right now it's raining. It's actually drizzling at the moment, but before it was raining very heavily, and no doubt it's going to start up again soon. And water jietai biela. My tyres flat. Flat tyres and rain do not make for fun bike riding days. But like little squirrels, we should gather our resources whilst we can. And so while it is raining, we will see what we can do about this. The question is, can we fix it? 我们能解决吗？我们可以。God, the light in here is so bad. You would think that I was filming this at night, but it's like the middle of the day. But it's really overcast outside, and the light in here is a nice yellow, so sorry about that. Anyway, as you can see, 我们有亮亮自行车。Did you hear that? That was a dog burp. Going to try and replace this tyre. My darling wifey has gone away for the week to Melbourne, and I'm determined to get this sorted out before she comes back, so that we can go for those bike rides together and live the JaYoe Nation dream, getting out there and experiencing the world on pedals.
Inner tube on a bicycle wheel. Hello, Calvin Jones here with Park Tool Company. First, let's go over the tools and supplies needed. You will need tire levers to remove the tire and a pump or CO2 cartridge to reinflate the inner tube.
And
to learn how to select a compatible tire
one
and tube for your wheel, see this repair article at parktool.com.
This is embarrassing. I knew that one of these tyres had an issue with inflating, but because I've not ridden them for quite a few months, they were all flat. And then I just assumed that I had to repair all the things. What are they called? Inner tubes. I don't. I just need to pump them up and then find out which one goes flat the fastest and then fix that one. This is why my life is sometimes harder than it needs to be. Good God. 非常尴尬. Very embarrassing. 放弃. Deflate. That's what I already did before realizing if I had to in the first place. 打气. Inflate. That's what I need to do now to figure out which tyre has the issue. Didn't go to all of that trouble inflating those tyres to not at least try it out. And besides, it's all about the experience of riding. It's all about the JaYoe. I've added air to the tyres. I now need to add fuel to my life. It just occurred to me that you might be wondering why we have these really scrappy cushions by the window bench. It's for this fella. little Merlin. It's kind of like he's a cat, but he's a dog. And he likes to sit up by the window and watch the world.